Sweetie Pie, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Hi, how's it going? I am Sweetie Pie and I have been filming all day, so if my voice sounds a little odd, that's probably why. I feel like it's got that like little frog in it. But anyway, I'm going to drink water and I'm going to make it through this seemingly negative video. Alright guys, if you guys would like to see the brands that I will not be buying from in 2018, what sparked me to do this video is that there were a lot of brands, or not a lot, but there were a few brands that I had some stronger feelings about, and I wanted to just tell you guys what brands they were, and yeah, why I probably will not be purchasing from them in 2018. So yeah, let's get on with this negative video. I just wanted to apologize for the shadow. It's getting late, which means 3 o'clock in the afternoon in Canada. Gosh, I'm getting a ring light, people. Don't worry. No more shadows after a while. Alright, so let's get into the brands that I will not be purchasing from in 2018. And this is just like a little bit why. Some of these brands have bad reputations, and some of these brands I'm just not interested in. And, you know, like just brands in general that just feel weird. The first brand that I wanted to talk about was Kukian Cosmetics. Need I say any more? If you know anything about Kukian Cosmetics, unless you're like a drama channel or a clickbait channel, you're like not a I shouldn't say like a clickbait channel, but like a channel that you know, like a beauty channel, like I don't know. It's hard to explain. I don't want to get into any drama, but I will not be purchasing anything from Kukian Cosmetics. End of story. Another brand that I will not be purchasing anything from is Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona is it's just too much for me. There's like eyeshadow palettes for like $300 and some odd on Sephora. I'm like, oh my gosh, I am sure they're eyeshadows. I wish I could swatch them. Oh man, do I wish I could swatch them. They don't actually carry them in my Sephora, the Sephora that's closest to me, but anyway, doesn't matter. Regardless, it's just too expensive. Maybe if they came out with like a smaller palette, I think, no, well yeah, she did come out with some smaller palettes that were $60 for Christmas, but they only had 5 eyeshadows in them. A lot of them didn't interest me that much, so needless to say, I don't think Natasha Denona will be on 2018 list. Another two brands that I probably will not be purchasing from is Kylie Cosmetics and KKW Beauty. Mostly because I love them as TV stars. They are so, I absolutely love Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I haven't watched the other daughter's new show. I can't remember what it's called. But anyway, I love them as TV reality stars. I don't want to pay for shipping and a product that, you know, might be mediocre. A lot of people have said some very intense things about pretty much everything. And like Kylie, oh my gosh, one of her palettes for Christmas, the Naughty palette, was so pretty. Like, oh, it's hard, but I just don't, I feel like it's weird, and a lot of people have negative reviews and whatnot. I don't know. It's very odd. Another brand that I do not think I will be purchasing from in 2018 is Lime Crime, and I came very close. There's a store that I actually shop at called Showcase. I've talked about it so many times, and it has internet sensation makeup and, you know, lots of as seen on TV stuff, and they had one of the Lime Crime diamond lip glosses. It was so pretty. But like I came this close to buying it, and then I was thinking, you know, like all the controversy and then the ingredients, and I think they were in those like Diamond Crusher lip glosses. I don't think a brand that has that much like bad PR around it, I don't know. Another brand that the last brand that I will not be purchasing from in 2018 is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And it's for like not the reasons you would think. So the reason why I'm not going to be purchasing from Jeffree Star Cosmetics is because I love him more. It's the same thing with the Kardashians. I like him more as a YouTuber than I do a business owner. I think that sometimes he can say shitty things, and everyone says shitty things, but when you hold these people in high regard as business owners, same thing, you know, like President of the United States type of deal, like people like with Trump and, you know, on Twitter, so people are like, why is he on Twitter? What's going on? You know, I feel the same way about that kind of thing. When you're a business owner, when you're the president, when you're whatever, you really have to hold yourself on a higher level. And getting into these arguments, especially like he got into arguments with Jackie Aina, and you know, she's such a sweet YouTuber. I love her to death. She has strong opinions just like him, but I feel like there's one way to do it and then there's, you know, his way to doing things, and I'm just not like super excited about his products really either. I don't know. I do have, and I don't want people to come after me, especially if you've seen my lipstick declutter. I do have 2 of his lipsticks, but they're fakes. They, like, I bought them at a time when I was like probably 18 or 19, and I don't know if I decluttered them or not. To be perfectly honest, I don't think I did. They are not actually Jeffree Star lipsticks. I'm pretty sure they're a knockoff. I bought them from eBay, and I think they were only like $9. So yeah. Anyway, onward and upward. Thank you guys for watching. Those are the brands that I do not think I'll be purchasing from in 2018. I hope this doesn't shake the boat. Please don't make me disable comments or anything. Like, don't get crazy. I know that some people have some very, very strong opinions. And if you thought I was going to say Fenty Beauty, ha ha ha. Think again. I bought her foundation around the Christmas VIB sale, and I absolutely love it. I think it is almost a dupe for the Becca, I will put the title right down here. It's one of my favorite foundations. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and go watch the videos that are popping up right here. I had a lot of fun doing this video, and I hope it doesn't rock the boat too much. See you later, guys. Mwah.